I'm stroking a fruit bat. You don't mind, look, he's friendly.
You don't mind?
No, he likes it. He's like, I like being tickled.
But you're not allowed to.
Yeah, I know you're not, but he likes it.
Do he like me?
No, he's like, oh, thank you.
Can I do it?
Let him smell your hand.
Can I do it?
Hello, yeah, go on. Gently, mind. Yeah, he's smelling, he's like, tasty. See?
Will he let me?
Yeah. See? Gently. I want a fruit bat. Yeah. Hello.
He won't let me do it.
He would. Yeah. Go on.
He's
Gently. Just stroke his head. Just gently. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Can't reach him. Okay.
Yeah, look, he likes it. He must be very friendly with the zookeepers or something. He just wants to smell because you've got food on your hands, look. Because you've been eating, look. He's like, oh, yummy.
He smells me. Can I do it again?
Yeah, but I think he's maybe going for a wander now.
Can I do it?
Well, it depends where he's going. Oh, there you go. He's come to see you. There you go. He's like, you now stroke me. Be less scared. No, that's fine. Go on. See? He obviously likes it. He's come over to see closer to you. He's not scared. There you go. See that?
I can reach.
They're like little. It's like little flying doggies.
I just touched him. It's very furry.
Yeah, he's very nice, isn't he?
He just surrounded me.
Yeah. He obviously likes people. Otherwise, he wouldn't come down. He's like, oh, I like being stroked.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
What? Do he like me?
Yeah, he's happy with us. That's why he's come down. He would have buggered off. Otherwise, he obviously likes being with us.
I wish we could take it.
Yeah, I was going to say, I wish we could have a pet fruit bat.
Me too. And we could stroke it.
Well, it seems to like it, that's for sure. Oh, here he goes.
Are they going to your side?
I'm not sure.
Oh, now stroke.
Hanging it. Oh, he's going to pee. That's why he got up so he could do a wee. Look, he's even shaking his willy. Look.
Yeah, they will.
He's got a wee. I think the zookeepers must fuss him a lot or something because he's very. He likes people a lot.